Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting 9 to 12 square sticky notes and clearing a flat workspace. First, place one note in the center. This anchors the heart. Once done, add 4 notes around it to form a plus shape, aligning edges tightly so no gaps appear. Make sure to press down each note firmly along its edge. Adhesion matters for later shaping. This quick base gives you the scaffold you need to start folding into the heart. Now you refine the shape by creating the lobes and point. Fold the top outer notes inward at about a 45-degree angle to form curved tops. These create the heart's lobes. Next, fold the bottom center note upward and tuck its lower corners under the adjacent notes to make a defined V. Once the general shape appears, adjust overlaps or trim a sliver if the point looks blunt. Small tweaks produce a cleaner heart silhouette. Finish by securing the design so it lasts. Apply tiny clear tape strips discreetly behind seams where adhesive fails. This preserves the look while adding strength. Smooth any lifting corners and press each seam firmly for 10 to 15 seconds to improve contact. If the heart becomes misaligned, don't panic. Peel back only one note at a time, realign its edge, and press down. Working slowly prevents tearing and keeps the heart symmetrical.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.